Hello friends. Today there was an incident with my Ford Transit. You can now see a photo of the car on the screen. The following happened. The ignition switch jammed. In the first two positions the key turns, the fuel pump begins to pump diesel, and in the third position, when you need to start the car, it jams. How to fix it? In Russia, at the exchange rate of 93 rubles for $1, this repair is $33. Since I urgently needed to fix this problem, I had to order a service. The technician arrived and removed the ignition switch after disassembling the steering wheel cover and removing it. To remove it, you need to pull the steering wheel to the maximum towards the driver, then unscrew 3 screws from the bottom of the casing and then unfasten the latches on the front of the casing. After which you remove the casing and you have access to the ignition switch. I can't say exactly how he's filming, look on the internet. Unfortunately I didn't have the opportunity to watch and film how he did it. Having taken out the lock, he disassembled it and took out a small spare part that is responsible for blocking the restart of the ignition switch with the engine running. It could have been changed, but I still needed to find it. I didn't have time and had to do it quickly. The master said that now this lock will not work and you need to be careful and not turn the key again while the engine is running, otherwise you can break the starter on the car. He took out this metal thing and then assembled the lock. I'll show you what it looks like now. This information would be enough for me to fix it myself. This is what it looks like, friends. It is very small and metal. This is the engine restart blocker that jammed and did not allow me to start the car. The problem of jamming began a year ago and gradually the jamming occurred more and more often until at one point the lock stopped turning at all. Over time, this spare part makes a groove in the lock and jams. You need to disassemble the lock and take out this small spare part. Be careful when disassembling. I saw how the master took out the spring. Do not lose it. Then you assemble it and you're done. The problem is solved. The main thing is don't start the engine when it's already running. If anyone has the same problem, you can now solve it this way and absolutely free. To whom this method will help, you can thank them with a donation. I will leave the links under the video. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and see you soon.